Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the screenshot cropping feature on your Samsung Galaxy device. So when you snap a screenshot, an editing toolbar pops up instantly. From here, you can basically crop, draw, and add text without even opening Gallery. However, when you go ahead and screenshot anything, your Samsung Galaxy device snaps to that image to give you the perfect screenshot. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Instagram. Now on Instagram, we'll go ahead and just scroll down and find a post. So let's just say, for example, this post here. Now next, I'll go ahead and take a screenshot. Now I'll go ahead and tap on the crop button here. And now here, as you can see, when I go ahead and crop this basically snaps to that square where the post has been taken. So like this, you can basically take perfect screenshots and then go ahead and save it. You can go ahead and edit it using this pencil icons here, or you can go ahead and share it or save it to your gallery. So this saves time, keeps your gallery clutter-free, and this is perfect for quick social shares or removing any private details from your screenshots. So there you go guys, that is snap screenshot cropping on your Samsung Galaxy device.